So guys, as we know, Samsung Galaxy is releasing its new series that's known as M series, and they will be releasing 3 smartphones on January 28. So we will talking about all the rumors and leaks and what we can expect. Before we move on, I wanted you all to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that you will get notified when I upload my videos. So guys, first of all, let's talk about the display. So as we know, a video got leaked in Amazon, and it shows us that the 3 models will be having infinity display, a drop down design, or we can call it as water drop design. The 3 smartphones will be having water drop design. Rumors also say that one of the design of the model will be having 6.3-inch display. So guys, moving on to the battery, rumors say that battery will be huge. 3 of the smartphones will be having a huge battery, 5000 mAh battery. Now moving on to the charging port, Samsung says that one of the smartphone will be having fast charging support. And let's move on to the camera. Rumors say that it will be having dual camera setup. In the dual camera, one camera will be for wide angle shot, and from this Amazon leak photo, we can see there are 2 cameras. And the body design, about the body of the smartphones, the body will be metallic. I think it will be metallic, and rumors also say that it will be a metallic design smartphone. On to the processor, rumors say that it's having Exynos processor, which is the Samsung latest budget oriented Exynos processors. Samsung didn't clarify it what will be the processors, but rumors say that it will be an Exynos new processors by Samsung. And moving on to the pricing, Samsung says that, and rumors says that it will be pricing around between 10,000 to 20,000. So in the rumors also they said that the 3 smartphones will be named as M10, M20 and M30. So on January 28, Samsung is releasing M series, and on January 28 we will know what were the names and what we can expect. So these are the expectations what we can expect from the M series. And Samsung also says that these 3 smartphones will be budget oriented smartphones, and budget range Realme and Xiaomi are the top ones. Now Samsung will be competing with these 2. That's it guys, these are the rumors and expectations what we can expect from Galaxy M series. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel, like this video, comment down below what you think about Galaxy M series and what are your expectations. So guys, thank you. See you in the next one.
Every single day